Hi you guys, I'm back with another one. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and as you guys can see today, your girl got her brand new camera and I'm about to unbox it for you guys. So I went with the Canon SX740HS, and obviously these are all the items that came with it, so let's get into it. The first item is the 32GB SD card. It is made by SanDisk, and thank God for it because I'm tired of running out of space in my iPhone. Your girl is happy to have her camera. This next item is your USB connector that you connect to the computer so that you can transfer your files. You just put your SD card in there and connect it to your computer and you're good to go, and you start editing your videos. This here is the tripod. It has 3 legs on it. Looks like it's very sturdy. You place your camera here on this top part right here that I'm shining the light on. This is the accessory kit. Before I go any further, please like, subscribe, and comment. That's the least you can do because your girl can get a T on this affordable camera. Right here we have the screen cleaner fluid, also the microfiber cleaning cloth, the mini tripod, and then we have the 2 universal screen protectors, and then we have the 6-slot SD card wallet, and then the 5 cotton swabs. Here is my big boy bag, and it is so big and so spacious, and I know it's gonna come in handy not only for my camera but maybe my phone or just anything that I'm carrying. So this here is the spacer so that you can separate things in the bag, and here's the strap to use, so like if I'm out I could put it on my shoulder. And look at how much space is in this bag. You can't tell me a lot of stuff can't fit in here. So we're about to finally unbox this camera, the moment you've been waiting for. So this is everything that was in the box, and first we're going to start off with the battery charger. This is the battery charger, and here's the battery, and you stick the battery in here in order to charge it. So we're gonna slide this bad boy in here so that we can get the cord to connect it, because you just connect the cord and plug it in the wall, and it's green. Well, it's red until it turns green. And here's me just stick it in there for you guys, and here's the end of the cord that you stick in the wall. So here I'm going to show a couple different shots of the iPhone 7 and also the Canon SX740HS. Okay, so right here I'm just showing y'all the zoom in, zoom out action, and yeah, this camera is the one. If you're looking for a starter camera, this is the one, and something that's up under $600 and affordable, this is the one. And the reason why I picked this camera is because it connects to my phone. It has an app that connects to my phone, and I don't even need a computer to even edit my video. So yeah, if you're looking for you a brand new camera, this is the one. So you guys remember to like my ish and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next go round. Peace.